Excel Martial Arts is a child development program that uses martial arts as the vehicle to help children become their best version. My favorite part about the business is watching the growth in children. We get lots of kids come in who are shy and quiet, and by the time we've developed them into instructors, it's very fulfilling to see that journey and how it goes. The thing we appreciate most about our students is their willingness to grow, their willingness to work, and how hard they work to try and better themselves. Excel Martial Arts supports the community through fundraising. We fundraise for the local PACs, mostly in the elementary schools, as well as the Boy Scouts, hockey teams, baseball teams, anybody that needs our help to be more financially secure. Thank you. I'm Richard from Excel Martial Arts. Hope to see you or your children very soon.